have big plans today. Oh, we're kind of matching. Oh, Jesus. We're kind of matching. Like, we look like we're matching. We're going...
We're twinnies.
We're going to Trader Joe and...
That you're gonna reveal.
Not yet.
Oh.
And we're going to... Where are the gas stations? Starbucks.
I gotta go, man.
Nice. We're going to Starbucks.
Yes.
And we're also going to...
Oh.
Faye Webster! Yes! I need to do our haul is what I need to do before we get on the freeway, and this is gonna go
Good
everywhere and
luck
bonkers.
sledding.
Okay.
Good luck sledding.
1.
Don't pick up the
2.
phone.
Pirate's booty.
Because he's drunk and alone.
She got a tomato mozzarella sandwich, and I got a bacon Gouda with no bacon on it. And I
can
also
smell
got
that ish.
a fruit and cheese box.
Let's
And
go.
we got
Oh, how are we gonna tell which one
gingerbread
is
oat
yours?
milk chai. It's good.
They cooked that shit up.
It's really good. We're here.
So
Competition.
there's like 5 people.
It's like 2. The concert starts at.
This is not Mitski level, I can
This
tell
is
you
not
that
Mitski.
much.
There's no Mitski dedication. We got to Mitski earlier too.
Yeah, we were there like maybe 1.
Faye Webster are not dedicated.
Straight up less than 10 people.
Is the concert gonna have like 5 people? I'm confused.
Honestly, yeah. Also, we went to the wrong spot at first, so
Okay, but there were
That was
signs that
awesome.
said it, so they should have had the signs say somewhere else. So
they're so intimidating.
it's really scary.
They're pretty.
This is not senior, but it's not stairs. Almost done.
I'll put captions for this.
See you on the flip side.
We forgot to record.
We waited in line for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 hours, and we're in the front of the floor. Woo! Take a gander.
Here's the
There she
gander.
is. We're gonna be so close.
There's the stage right there.
This is the pit right here.
We finna be in the pit.
We're in the floor. Well, we were finna be in the pit.
We just had the news broken to us in line that floor and pit are
We're
different.
not the same.
So
Sorry. Contrary to popular belief, and our belief is the body. That's what you're saying.
yeah. So we're here though. Let's go.
I don't know where my other glasses are. Hey, Bryn!
We're back. Like
We're back.
Feels like we haven't done that in a while.
I feel like we've grown.
We've grown. We're
I feel like
bronies
we're
now.
bronies. We're finding a brunch place right now.
The Skibbity Toilet Brunch place,
Yeah,
I
we're
think.
finding a Skibbity brunch place. And also, we're gonna get our nails done.
Yeah,
I was
look
thinking,
at this ish.
busted.
Go ahead.
going to the
Wait,
store.
this looks like a thumbnail where it goes, we're breaking up.
Why do I cry? We're going to the store right now. And we're gonna get snacks. And we're gonna play Roblox.
Oh yeah, I forgot what you said we were doing that.
Yeah, we're gonna play Roblox. And, ding, we're going to play... Oh,
We're going to play.
no, we're
Do
not.
want
You wanna come over and play?
Play.
We're having a play date.
Play.
And we're going to go to the store, and then we're gonna watch a movie. We're watching Night Swim, and I think we're gonna be the
Wait.
only people.
Night Swim, better or worse than Men? Probably better still.
Definitely better. And
Yeah.
I think Men might be one of the worst movies I have ever
Yeah,
seen.
we were just talking about how it's like the worst. I think it's the worst movie I've ever seen.
I think so.
Like, I think that's actually pretty fair.
I think that I've never seen a worse movie. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the store, and we'll give you a haul of what we got later on. Oh, and also look at our nails.
Whoa.
Very nice.
Whoa.
Camis are sparkly, but you can't really see in the... But, yes, looks so good.
It's phenomenal,
We're
sweetie.
seeing
but
Night Swim.
what happens next? It's called a cliffhanger.
It
My hair
was
is
just
called a
my
cop out.
imagination.
Oh, hey! There's a cat in there! Oh my god, you're Ellie freaking Conway.
I'm excited.
Oh yeah? What is it?
I'm thrilled.
Espionage. Would you sign my box?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.